Hey friends, Luke here with the Edible Schoolyard. Today we have another chicken check-in, and today I wanted to start off by just taking a look around the chicken area because we've got some pretty cool plants that are growing. So right next to the chicken coop we have this beautiful shade tree right here that gives a lot of shade to the chickens, but it also produces this fruit called the pawpaw. This is a pawpaw tree. Very delicious, ripens in August. I'm sure a few of them will fall to the ground for the chickens to eat. It'll be a nice little snack. We also have this other beautiful shade tree right here. It's a persimmon. There is a native variety of persimmon that exists in our native forests here in North Carolina, but this is an Asian variety. It produces a nice tasty fruit, and this ripens in the fall time, and again I imagine some of those will fall to the ground and provide another nutritious snack for the chickens. So as I've been watching the chickens today, scratching around looking for worms, I've been thinking about chicken breeds and how chicken breeds affect how chickens act. So here we have Frida. She is an Easter egger. That's her breed. And Easter eggers are really great because they produce these beautiful blue and green eggs. And they're also very heat tolerant. So years ago, farmers decided, we need a chicken that's really good at tolerating this heat. We live in the South in our situation, and not all chickens are as good at staying cool as others. So Easter eggers, they were bred for that reason, as well as their blue and green eggs. There's a lot of benefits to having an Easter egger around your place. And so Frida, as I said, is really good at scratching around and looking for worms, and people have worked really hard to keep this breed, the Easter egger, around, and so that you can go to the farm store and buy an Easter egger if you're looking for a chicken that has Easter egger qualities. So let's think about it in another way. We're all pretty familiar with dogs and how there's all these different types of dogs out there. We've got hound dogs, we have shepherds, we have retrievers, and they're all good at different things. So shepherds, for example, are really good at rounding up animals. So farmers years ago developed these breeds like Australian shepherds and collies because they were really good at rounding up sheep. We also have hound dogs, which are really good at sniffing and finding things. So a fox or just anything that you're looking for. So they've got these really long ears that fall down by their nose and kind of wafts the scent into their nose. That isn't just by chance. People have had to work hard looking for various characteristics and behaviors in those animals, and then selecting those animals and then breeding them so that we have more animals with all these great characteristics. So that same lesson applies in chickens, as I said. Frida is an Easter egger, and she's really good at producing these beautiful blue and green eggs. Easter egger that is a heritage breed, meaning those animals were bred decades ago, and farmers have been improving that breed and those characteristics so that they become stronger and stronger and better at what they do. So that's a little bit about heritage breeds for you. Remember, next week we'll have another chicken check-in, and I can't wait to see you guys then.